is where it starts. Wait.
Bro.
Oh no! No!
Ain't no way.
Now this content is too gory for YouTube. Let's just record our reactions.
Shucks, here we go.
Candice!
Bro! Stop holding it.
No!
What? No! I saw it. Bro!
No!
Umalis ka dyan sa taas!
He can't! It's too late!
Wala na.
Wala na nga! Walang dugo dyan.
Yeah, kasi mahulog lang.
Alam mo, sa behind the scenes totoo yun.
Yan na.
Yan! Olivia!
Olivia, naman
Di niya yan kasalanan! Si Des yung may kasalanan.
Ayan na, nahulog na yung isa.
Di naman yan main character. Di namin yan alam ng pangalan.
Oy, wag kayo dyan! Si yung muli.
Tutulog lang siya. Hindi pala,
Okay.
hindi siya napatay.
Wag kang
Alam mo si Molly, siya nag-witness ng patay ni Peter at ni isa.
Wala.
Yan!
Oy! Oh my God, thank you, Mom. Wala!
Ah!
Yun! Nawawala na! Yung glasses! Yung glasses!
Peter! Bilis na!
Bilis!
Bilis! Olivia! Olivia, bilis! Bilis! Uy! Bilis na kasi! Bakit ka kasi nahihiga?
Bilisan mo!
Bilisan mo! Ayan kasi! Yan kasi Olivia!
Hulog.
Hulog! Yan kasi!
Kasi,
Diyan ka lang sa camera. Walang dugo yun.
oh! Yeah.
Ano yun? Hindi kaya.
Hindi man tayo.
Bag mo. Uy!
Mahulog na lahat! That's
Wala nang dugo.
Wait, I'm gonna... Catchy, hold on. Yeah.
Diyan na lang. Kita pala yung dugo. Kita pala yung dugo dyan.
There.
Yan.
Just fix it. No.
Percent na to. 22.
Wala na.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Si Peter! Sinik kayo?
Hawakan mo sila.
Hawakan mo!
Wala.
Oh no!
Wala ko.
Uy. Get ready. Get ready for Peter. Ano yun? Ano yun?
May dugo.
Ay.
Isa pa. Uy.
Uy. Yan! Save everyone! Save everyone on the bus!
Umalis na kayo dyan. Umalis na kayo dyan.
Mamaya! Mamaya na! Dali!
Oh my God.
Time loop. Sabihin mo sa kanila. Sabihin mo. Mamamatay sila. Nasasabihin nga na nga sila. Maniwala kayo. Maniwala kayo. Ayaw maniwala. Maniwala kayo. Ayaw nila maniwala. Ay, gusto nila mamatay. Mamamatay sila dyan. Candace! Si Candace! Candace! Si Candace!
Ayaw maniwala.
Ayaw kong maniwala. Eh!
Si Olivia.
Yan na nga.
Yan na. Yan na. Yan na. Olivia, punta ka.
Yan! Yan! Yan na. Ayaw na yung malamala. Maniwala. Isaac? Dennis? Sino si Dennis? Ay, yun. Dali na! San si Peter? San si Candace? Gosh! San si Candace? San siya? Girlfriend ni Peter! Yun. Kita ko na. Si Olivia? Ay. Hindi tayo tumutingnan sa camera. Person. Ala, 21 agad!
Pasalamat kayo.
Uy, bakit yung maitim na guys?
How did you know?
Right here, I saw it. I knew it was that's something that it's something.
May butas pala sa shirt ko. Ghost Bigfoot.
Sino si Bigfoot? Malaki na ba? We have an exam tomorrow and we don't review. Yeah! Mga tenga nila. Anong oras na? 1 na.
Magiging 2 na.
So, kaibigan lang tayo.
Yeah.
I met this girl in 2016. Yeah.
We are not magkapatid. We are not relatives.
Yes!
Bro, Dayan is so tagal to uwi.
Because is she grade 4?
Yeah.
Then why is she 10?
Ala!
20 agad! Power saving! Yay! 1 second later, 19...
Oh my God, it's the basurahan.
Basurahan! Nanay mo!
Ang tagal naman.
Skip it! Skip. We're skipping it.
R.I.P. people.
That takes forever. Ang tagal!
Yan! Yung
yan.
gymnastic!
I know that. Gymnastic side eye. I don't wanna be gymnastic. I don't wanna be. Si Carlos Yulo. Carlos Yulo. Many people. Alexa said your car was yellow. YOLO. Kasi ganito, ito. No. Oh no! Yan na. Hindi pa Hindi
Ano?
pa. Mamaya. Sunod-sunod
Sabi
silang
daw-
mamamatay. Kibiti. Oh, hi, Riz. Naka-record tayo. Oh no. Oh no. Alam ko yon. Oh no. Yan yung sign para pag may mamatay na. It's the sign na. Get prepared! Oh my God. Ano yun? Hey coach, how's that?
Oh no.
Yan na tumutulong. Oh no, ano yun?
Yan na.
Yan! Yan yung nail! Yung nail na yun! Ala, yan na. Alam ko na mangyayari dyan. Mag-ano yung... Bi, tumingin ka! Tumigil ka! Tumingin ka dyan! Ah! Si Candice gayon? Si Candice gayon?
I don't know.
Ano yun? Kala ko huhulog siya. Wag mo kasi i-show. Candice? Oh my God. Candice. Wala na. Wag mo tatakan niya.
Nicely done, Candace. Okay, go to bars.
Bars, oh no. Siya yung mamatay. Isang gymnastic ay... Maya.
Oo, maaari.
Yan na. Yan! Wag mo ipakita! Nakalimutan ko to! Ano yun? Uy, ano nagyari? Actually, yeah. Ayoko na. Ano gato? Ano pa? Ang bali ang buto. Yung spine niya. Bakit may bones dyan? May bones sa tuhod niya. Ay, no way. Kawawa naman si Peter. Tumatakbo kasi yung oras. You'll be lag. Ohio. Kasi si Des. Si Des yung may kasalanan. Are you gonna post it? Yeah. Oh. Hi. What do you think?
Alexa and Brielle are gonna see this.
Let's record this. Joke lang. Ang tagal.
Skip it.
2, 3, 4, infinite bajillion years.
Yan na. Ayoko niyan.
Yan.
Ayoko na.
You.
Aso sa sasaya.
Oh. Wait a second, what happened to the younger version of you?
以后是知名
Okay,
阿
I'm
布
sorry.
丁嘎张嘎吉。
Subtitles. Okay, you know what? Maybe I should just do it.
Bro, it's bang.
Bro, what? Not that.
You're a little aggressive there, don't you think? Let's come ahead. Off the knees. Go forward. I want to go ahead.
That is not.
You're not a chiropractic.
That is not a massage.
Why are you drinking? Why are you guys drinking?
Bye-bye, Olivia.
Babe, bukas talaga yung shorts ko.
Oh. Wala.
Uy, bakit nabasag kay Olivia?
Hi. Sign. Is that a sign?
Yeah. Mamamatay si Olivia.
Why didn't you jump? That's only one of the issues.
Si Peter naman, bad trip. Wala na yung ano niya. Namatay kasi yung girlfriend niya, si Candice. Hindi ko alam paano mag-pronounce yung Candice. Candace? Candace? It's Candice. Candice. Give me some Candice. Just give me my Candice. Yay!
Oh my God.
Shoulda. Nakita ko yung dugo ni Candice. At yung fake buto niya.
Oo nga eh. Ano? Nagbabasag na siya.
I'm sorry.
He's depressed, bro. I guess.
Bro. Baliktad ganyan ka ma. 18%!
Does that mean anything? I don't know. Thank you. Call me if you see anything strange.
I am trauma.
Sino yan?
Should
Ang tagal naman. Yan game namatay sa oil rig.
Alright? Show me how this happened.
Parang iba. Hindi yan yung namatay.
Yan yung dugo!
I could try it 100 times. We never recreate exactly what happened.
Yung dugo ka na, dear.
Wala na.
Diyan! Sa taas! I saw how he died. That one. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alcohol! Huwag yan. Ba't naman alcohol?
You know what?
Tingnan mo yung camera.
Today, people can't be I said, Mom.
Ouch. Tusok yan. Mahuhulog yan. Hindi mamatay ka. Siya kasi sa fire. Mahulog siya, tas tusok yung...
Hey! It's not very nice.
Ayoko tong death na to.
That is the most crazy.
Bakit wala yung mata niya? Instead of reviewing, we're watching Final Destination. We're reviewing Final Destination. Yeah. I've already memorized the parts. The bridge, the gymnastics, that, and then I forgot. I don't... Magyan. Matulog ka. Matulog ka. Huwag kang gagalaw. Yung fire. Sino yun?
Yan na.
Yan na. Yan na.
Huwag mong pansinin yan. Mamamatay ka.
Yan na. Yan. 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 Pwede ba siyang tumaya? Hindi. Uy, lumalakas na yung fire! Fire! Paano tayo sasayaw doon? Paano tayo sasayaw doon? Naging sigod! Huwag mo itanggalin! Ang daming dugo! Biblid ka! Ikay nasuntok. Bakit may luhaw sa screen? May laman pa. Yucky! Wala ka sinusumo ka? Okay, tama na.
Oh my God.
Is someone outside? Sorry. There is many kids playing. Now there's this playing. Bro, imagine if someone para fit yan sa Final Destination. Nasa desk na tayo na lang. Yan na lang. Hala, alam ko yan. Himig. Yeah.
Maaano yung mata niya.
Yes.
Adong.
can't hear the words.
Wait.
May subtitles dyan.
Ayoko nan. Ayoko nan. Ayoko nan. Ay, ayoko naman.
Mata ko! Mata ko parang pop out. That's why.
No, never. Never.
Wait.
Never. Into the affair. Ayoko na. Look at it! Ah, ang ganda-ganda ng mata, masasayang.
Ha! Yan! Yun o! Yung teddy bear na natanggal ng eye. Parang
Yan na,
yan!
sign na siya.
Sign!
na! Lalap.
Huwag ka na kasing tumawag!
The blinds. Stop!
Ah!
Uy, i-edit na siya.
That's not the death.
I know, but it's gonna...
Yung ano, Yan. Ano yun?
Stop the sound.
Uy! 3, 2, 1! And it happens! Yan! Exactly!
Emergency stop. Emergency stop. Emergency stop.
Huwag ka kasi mag-ganyan!
Wag! 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 Oh!
Look at my hand, bro. It's shaking.
Iniiwan kasi
You fucking bitch.
Mata niya!
At may nag-run over. Run fuck over. Run the fuck over. Bro.
1% last.
14! Anong 40%?
Is the episode done?
30 more minutes.
Go, go, go! Skip it! Skip it!
I-tell mo na pag may death.
Oh.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ang sakit dun.
And so now, it's kill or be killed.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Well, I want you. Do whatever you want.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Happy song, please. Meow, meow.
You can run because,
Yan kat.
Kissy face. And see,
That's the part. That's the part. That I thought you memorized off the desk.
Konting oras na lang, nangyayari na konting oras na lang.
Nathan? Si Nathan yun! Treasure natin? Peter's growing a mustache.
My eye is not...
Because of how big my eyebrow. The wind! Final destination. Stop. Me. There's wrestle when there's a sign.
Bro! Cut off, please.
Died on the bridge. You or bakit mo part ng show? Meow. May dimple pala akong pag nag-smile. Yeah.
Di mo alam.
I know it. Ano yun?
Check it.
Nakita nga siya. Okay. Patry po ulit. What? That's what you look like when you're using the phone.
Let's see what happened.
Because yung Sparky pa, same po din makausap. Recently. Tagal!
Tagal!
Hala, ayoko nyan. Yo. Hindi ma-open. Yan! Chef. Si Peter malungkot at tries to kill everyone. Nag-look ka. Para dun po sa mga... Yan! That's when Peter gets depressed and decides to kill one. Yeah. Pero namatay si Peter. Yan. Huwag mo nang alahan si Candice. Candice didn't deserve to die, pero yes, you do. Don't say that. Wag mo yan isabihin. Who is that? Dalawang bata. Rinig mo yung meow. Ako lang alam yung nostalgic song. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to be doing an unpacking video! Hey, that's the last one! Meron pa. Hindi pa yan namatay. Si Beth, may crush kay, ano? Sino yan? Alam mo yan? Yung boyfriend ni Malu. Ay, ano yung pangalan niya? Ano? Pete. Totoong pangalan niya yan? I guess no. Wait lang. Do you want something? Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna get some tubig. Henry's going to get us tubig.
What's going on?
Hey! Inulit ko. Why? There's no tubig na. We don't have water, bro. Go, get it. Meow, 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 meow. Hey! We changed spot, bro. We are mukbanging. While watching Final Destination. Yeah. Kitang-kita ng boyfriend ni Candice kung paano siya namatay. I got a winter panda. I got a winter panda too. It's not an egg. Bro is super strong. Come on. No more. I need some water. I'm actually dehydrated. Pause the movie first. We got... Oh, wait. I gotta close the lights. $10% na. Bawal na. Bawal na mag-record.